Have you ever wondered why watermelons are the go-to fruit for a summer picnic? It's not just their refreshing taste that makes them a favorite, but there's more to these juicy delights than meets the eye. Watermelons, a member of the Cucurbitaceae family, which includes cucumbers, pumpkins, and squash, are renowned for their vibrant red color and sweet, juicy flesh. But did you know that they are also a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? For instance, a single serving of watermelon can provide up to 30% of your daily vitamin A and C requirements. Moreover, watermelons are a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to heart health, bone health, and prostate cancer prevention. In fact, watermelons contain more lycopene than any other fruit or vegetable, even tomatoes. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the health benefits of watermelons. First off, they are composed of about 92% water. This high water content, combined with the presence of dietary fiber, makes watermelons a great fruit for promoting hydration and digestive health. Furthermore, their rich content of vitamins and minerals can help boost the immune system, improve skin and hair health, and even assist in weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. Despite their sweet taste, watermelons are low in calories and fat, making them an ideal snack for those on a weight loss journey. Beyond their health benefits, watermelons are also quite versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in a wide range of dishes, from refreshing salads and smoothies to delectable desserts and cocktails. Even the rind, which is often discarded, can be pickled or stir-fried, offering a unique twist to your regular meals. But wait, there's more. Did you know that watermelons even have a place in the world of beauty? Their juice can be used as a natural toner, thanks to its hydrating and pore-minimizing properties. Plus, the seeds, which are often spit out, are loaded with nutrients like magnesium, iron, and folate, and can be roasted for a healthy and tasty snack. In conclusion, watermelons are not just a delicious fruit to enjoy in the summertime, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits and uses. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promote hydration and digestive health, and can even assist in weight loss. Plus, they can be used in a variety of dishes and beauty routines, making them a truly versatile fruit. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the watermelon. Whether it's to boost your health, add a refreshing twist to your meals, or enhance your beauty routine, this juicy fruit has got you covered. Remember, there's always more than what meets the eye, and this is certainly true when it comes to watermelons.